It was 2:37 a.m. on the night of 8 February 2014 when a polar bear appeared in the dreams of three developers. The polar bear asked for the help of the developers to save its habitat from global warming and in return promised to etch a tattoo of our choice on its forehead. You're about to see some numbers that are so staggering that we frankly cannot wrap our heads around them. This is the carbon emission that is spit out by the cars on average. This is actually to scale, by the way. We got down to business with a typical design thinking process, and using all our collective wisdom, we came up with a solution that has never existed before. Our insights from design thinking led us to think that what people wanted was a constant push, a reason to do amazing work, a feedback loop and appreciation for good work. Having kept all of these things in mind, we present to you the Polar Saver. We see here that I am logged in as Polar Saver Avinash. Avinash has decided to drive today. He says he's going from MG Road to Indiranagar at 10 a.m. today. The application picks up all the vehicles Avinash has used before and suggests an optimal price for his route, which is calculated using HANA Analytics. The pricing suggestion is based on a collective historical set that takes into consideration things like traffic density, historical rates, and the car's fuel efficiency, and the local wealth concentration of the area. Avinash has decided to take the Swift out today and sets the seats available to 3. The app also suggests routes picked up from Google Map for the location entered. Avinash decides on the route and posts it for all the other Polar Savers to see. We also see instantly that a Facebook post appears on Avinash's timeline too. Thank you for saving my future. Now that we are back on the home screen, on the top left we see a calendar icon listing your upcoming rides. We see that the booking made a while ago has already been listed here. Also listed here is another ride that Avinash had posted earlier between Indiranagar to work starting at 11. Avinash can see the details of the ride like the route and the co-passengers. Also seen here is the trip earnings and the approximate carbon savings. Here Johnson is listed as a co-passenger. Let's see now how Johnson would have gone about booking the ride. When Johnson enters Trinity to Ulsur and checks who else is flying along this route, he sees here an optimized list of all the vehicles flying along this route. Factors like price, maximum passenger accommodation, along with minimal stops with maximum profit for the driver have been considered to generate a list that is truly unique for Johnson's needs. Because of this unique optimization ability of the app, two people flying along the same route may not see the same listings. We believe this is a downfall of traditional Stone Age applications and sets our application apart, paving the way for widespread adoption. In the listing for Avinash, we see that there is an undisputed green champion. Let's have a look at what he offers. We see Setu has an incredible rating, has a comfortable car, and is also offering a ride at a nominal rate. A potential no-brainer for anyone who's looking for a ride here. The user is hooked instantly and confirms the booking immediately. A thing of note here is that safety has been accommodated via features like the disclosure of the vehicle registration number, public Facebook profile, and also when we return to the home page, the application gives us the option to say that we are traveling as a single woman. Enabling this ensures that your postings are only visible to women and search results only list women drivers. This allows the commuters to travel fearlessly, which we believe is another downfall of the traditional application. Let's also have a look at the various options available to the user, which makes the application a cut above the rest. My Earnings and Ratings gives you a summary of your carbon savings, your cumulative earnings, the total earnings for the month, and the feedback from other commuters. Rating your previous rides is another important feature which ensures accurate information about each driver, thereby allowing you to crowdsource your drivers using the continuous feedback loop generated by the app. Finally, Settings allows you to add information about you and your vehicle, and also advanced options like maximum number of stops and the threshold arrival time. We are going on a polar expedition in the year 2020, and this is what we hope to see there. A tattoo as promised. Thanks.